Hello, I'm in Stuttgart, and this is a Live i 900 LEG motorhome from Knaus, and let's have a look at some of the features. This is the top of the range as far as the Live series is concerned. The Live series is introduced around 2015 or thereabouts. I've given you the price of the thing working. Okay, well, let's come inside and see what else isn't working. Right, oh, look at that. I like that. Very large table, plenty of space there with a bench. What I don't like, sorry, frog in my throat, is this. Steps. I don't mind steps up to the bed, that's fair enough. But steps in here, that really, at this price range, we don't know what the price is, but I can tell you it's around 130,000, and then it's not very impressive. This may look a bit of a mess. Bear in mind, we're at a trade fair, so things do get touched and moved around. Somebody said to me once, why don't I clean up? Well, I'm sorry, I can either be cleaning up vans or I can be filming them. That's the choice. So there we go. At events like this, pointless up here, waste of space. Completely. Storage, this should be used for storage and not for some decorative element, which is the best I can call this. Very little depth to that as well. There is a ledge at the back, and it was Jeremy who said that something like that's great for your what do you call it? Things you put in your ears to ear. I've forgotten the words now. You put in your ears so you can hear better. Your hearing aid, sorry, that's it, yeah, hearing aid. I forget words sometimes. Window here. You also are supposed to put other things on your mobile phone. It'd be better, of course, if there was somewhere to charge your mobile phone with at the back. They do, however, did think of putting a place, though. Oh, sorry, I take that back. If you put this on, no, it's the light switch. So it's a good job having the light switch there, of course. In some versions you can get a light which actually control all the lights from your vehicle from up there. Storage under here, this is a very nice feature. There you go. I know lots of manufacturers do it, but there you go. And that's what, so wardrobe, or well, it would be wardrobe if there was a bar in it. There's a bar on this side though, which I shall now demonstrate. Move that to one side and pull this up. There you go. There's your wardrobe. There, it's a large wardrobe, easy to get into if there's not too much on top of the bed. There's your shower, and you'd probably want to take the carpet out before you went in the shower. There you can see what it's like. 2 drainage points, that's good. The fact that they're small, that's bad. It does have a non-slip or anti-slip or whatever surface here. You can see it's got these lines in it. I think that's quite good. And there's a nice place to sit down on here, for example, and I like that as well. I'm not so keen on these plastic things though, because I think they're sort of cheap and tacky. They tend to break, I've noticed. Well, I'll have the break after a few years. So if you're not going to use it very long, then maybe it doesn't make any difference. Up here we have got a cloth curtain made of very nice material. I like that. I prefer to have this as the material on the seats, on the upholstery, but I wouldn't have got that had I wanted it. This is a useful thing, storage there. Always good to have lots of storage in your vehicle. They've even put a little ledge on that as well. And coming through here, could do with a light though inside. There we have toilet. Ooh, I like this. There you go. Nice big storage space there for your bathroom stuff. Although the bathrooms, the showers on the other side of the corridor. Sink, nice, yep, quite like that. And so that small room, le petit coin, as you say in French, is quite nice. Okay, here we have a 177 litre fridge, which opens both ways, and there's a freezer. And up here there is a space for holding whatever you want to hold there. Largest kitchen, 3 burners, sink we've got down here. Yeah, drawers, unfortunately nothing in the walls, so things fall out. Soft close. Right, there's another soft close. Okay, there you go. One maybe. Okay, we'll miss that one out then. This is really good though, I think. Well, if you want a sort of space like this, I mean, it does look a bit 1980s, if you like, but all the same. If you want a sitting area, then this, with a big table, then this certainly gives it to you. Comes with a television pops up there, and I had this point I've made before about the televisions, the amount of power they actually use, and they really do drain your battery in no time. For those of us who've well, sorry, I haven't got a television at all in my vehicle, but there was a lady who was on a campsite, was wild camping, but it was this place, she was next to me, and she had this serial she wanted to watch, whatever it was, from every month, or sorry, not every month, be every week or something, and but she had to charging the vehicle, the battery up, by running the engine. Anyway, that's a good reason why you need to get one of these packs, the like Bluetti or EcoFlow or something, so you can carry it and maybe charge the television from something like that. They are all like this. I've never seen a television in the upper class here, for a motorhome television that is. Those are EFG or something. 21 kilowatt hours per 1,000 hours of use. If you have a television in your vehicle, then do let me know what you think. Right, okay, so this bed comes down. Let's see if I can get it to come down. Oh, right, so this gives you an idea. So I can't take it down the full way because I haven't put the chairs up, but that gives you an idea of the size. Good point that it's got a skylight up there. Right, Fiat Ducato is the base. We'll have a look at it if that door is open down there. I do like a nice sideboard here for storing things in, and that's got a fair bit of space. Also below, it's also got a bit of space for storage as well. Here I find, as we come out, space to keep the dog's lead or something. And again, no, just here there should be ledges and things to stop things falling out. And the problem is here is that the people who do these things never use the van. If they actually went out and had a look at the outside, it's got wheels on it. It's got wheels on it for a reason. The reason is because it moves. There you go, there's two wheels on this place, yeah. And there'll probably be two on the other side as well. But we'll check that one. Tag axle. Nice big lovely garage, spoilt by once more lack of provision for securing things left in here, except down here. Note there are lashing straps down there. And in here, same door at this side. That's a really positive thing. You know, let's put two wheels on this side as well. Service box, so that's where you'll fill it up with water, and electricity goes through there. Here we have a door. I think you can get a thing that slides out here as well as an option, so you get an extra step. See this? This is produced by a company called Kipor, which is near Gunsberg, and this is the sort of thing that should be used for securing. This thing is incredibly elastic. It's amazingly so. If I remember to do it, I'll put a link in the description which shows some information on this. It's really, really good, I think. Anyway, good. So there you can see Fiat Ducato base. Right, good. So here we have the final version, which is this. I am obviously it's Knaus anyway, so which is not a brand which I recommend at all. It's got one or two good features in it, but on the whole, I'd have to say look at the Hymer versions of similar at the same price range. cannot compete to anything from Carthago or even Malibu, which is the cheap version of Carthago for that matter. You can get a Frankia for the cost of something like this, admittedly not a 9-meter one, but you can get one like a Neo or something like that. So there you have it. There's my opinion. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and all the best from me in Germany.